Yes, friends, in the trial work we conducted in Enscape, in the trial work we took to show you, we encountered such an image. We will take a lower quality version of this image during the lesson. Friends, for the sake of speed, I placed these pillows somewhat randomly. Friends, we can change these. Of course, in the reading sections here, there are greener areas, like wall-shaped green areas. We can add those. We can change the legs here. Maybe we can make Roman-style legs, inspired by Roman codes. We can create a different... This environment can be created, friends. There is no limit to design. You can change the design as you wish. I had made a design like this according to the project. You can change the parts here, you can change the colors, but as I said, let's first move on to the model starting in the design phase. Look, as you can see, there is a view like this in the background of the work. I will show you how to add and use them, and as I said, we can take it differently from here. Because we did these a bit quickly, this part remained a bit angular. By changing these, we will achieve a more beautiful working style. Friends, since we modeled these beforehand to show you during the training, I wanted you to see this part. Friends, we will continue by modeling these one by one. Friends, now let's move on to our AutoCAD section and start modeling in the next part.